In this video, I'm going to show you 5 codes that you can use to buy data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel. If you are using Airtel and you have been looking for a way on how you can get data at a very cheaper rate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 secret codes that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel, and only few people know this code. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get the step by step on how you can be able to get these 5 codes that you can use to buy data at a very cheaper rate, and this will help you to save money that you use to buy data. This video is divided into 2 sessions. The first session is for individuals that want to buy data at a very cheaper rate that they can use for their day-to-day activities, and the second session is for business owners that they use a lot of data in their business and they are looking for a way on how to get it at a very cheaper rate that they can use for their business. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to get it at a very cheaper rate for your individual and also for your business. If you are using other network, I've also done similar videos on how you can get it at a very cheaper rate for other network. For MTN, I've done videos on the 12 code that I can use to get it at a very cheaper rate from MTN. For 9 Mobile, I've done video on the 8 code that I can use to get this at a very cheaper rate for 9 Mobile. Then for Glo, I've done video on the 7 code that I can use to get it at a very cheaper rate for Glo. I'm going to attach those videos to the description of this video. So after you have finished watching this video, you can go to the description of this video to get access to those other videos. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you tips on how you can work from home and make passive income for yourself. And if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. And if you got value from this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. So let's dive in. So the first code that you can use to get cheap data from Airtel is *312 *61 hash *312 *61 hash. So let's dial it and see how much data this code will give us. If you want to do a bulk thing within an hour, you can use this code to buy data that you will use within that 1 hour, and you can get 1 GB of data for just 100 naira. So with 200 naira you get 2 GB of data, with 500 naira you get 5 GB of data, and with 1000 naira you get 10 GB of data. So 1 GB of data will just cost you only 100 naira. If you want to do a bulk thing within an hour, you can use this one, and maybe before that 1 hour finish, you are not yet done with what you are doing. What you simply need to do is just for you to renew it again, then continue your work, and the remaining data will roll over to the next hour that you just renew. So this is the first code that you can use to get cheap data from Airtel. So the second code that you can use to get cheap data from Airtel is *312 *2 hash *312 *2 hash. So let's dial it and see what this code will give to us. With this code, the one you will go for here is the number 5. The number 5 is for midnight plan. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this one to get cheap data that you can use for the night. You can get access to this from 12 o'clock to 6 AM. You can use this data to browse in the night. With 15 naira you will get 250 MB, which means with 100 naira you will get 500 MB, and with 200 naira you will get 1 GB of data if you are using this plan. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this one to get cheap data that you use to do your work in the night. So if you compare this one to the normal data, which is 500, this one is cheaper than the normal plan. So this is one of the ways I used to get cheap data from Airtel. So let's proceed to the number 3 code that I can use to get cheap data from Airtel. Our number 3 code that I can use to get cheap data from Airtel is *312 *2 *8 hash *312 *2 *8 hash. So let's dial it and see what this code will give to us. So with this code, you have 2 plans here. With 4,000 naira you can get 15 GB of data, and with 7,000 you can get 40 GB of data. So let's say we are going for the one of 7,000, which is 40 GB of data. So let's see how much 1 GB of data will cost us if you are using this code to buy data from Airtel. So 7,000 divided by 40. So 1 GB of data will cost us just 175 naira. So this is a good plan that I can use to buy data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel. So let's proceed to the next code that I can use to get cheap data from Airtel, which is number 4 code that I can use to get cheap data from Airtel. So the number 4 code that I can use to get cheap data from Airtel is *303#. So let's dial it and see what this code will give to us. This code is for maybe you are doing work and suddenly your data finish. You can use this code to borrow data from Airtel that you can use to do your work within that period of time. So maybe you don't have money to buy data and money in your account, you don't have the physical cash to buy data. You can use this code to borrow data from Airtel, then you pay back later. So if you want to borrow from Airtel, you dial number 3, take it to here. So you can see that currently now I can borrow up to 2,000 naira worth of data. So you can see the different plans here, so you can choose any one, then you borrow. So this I can borrow from Airtel. The next section is for business owner that want to get it at a very cheaper rate for their business that they can use for their business. Number 5 code that I can use to buy cheap data from Airtel is *312*2*6#. *312*2*6#. So let's dial it and see what this code will give to us. This code, you have 3 different package on this code, and this code is for mostly business owner, and if you want to do a long time subscription, you can use this code to buy data that you use for that will last you for a long period of time. So the first one here is with 50,000 naira you get 300 gigabytes of data and it will last you for 90 days, which is 3 months. Then the second option here is with 60,000 naira you get 350 gigabytes of data, and with 100,000 naira you get 650 gigabytes of data and it will last you for 1 year. So let's do a little calculation. So let's say we want to go for the plan of the 50,000, which is 300 gigabytes of data. So let's see how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost us. So which is 50,000 divided by 300. So 1 gigabyte of data will cost us just 166 naira if we are using this code. So this is a very good option that you need to buy data at a very cheaper rate. If you are a business owner and if you are running any business, this will help you to save costs. And if you want to do a long time data that will serve for a very long period of time, you can also use this one to buy data at a very cheaper rate. So these are the top 5 codes that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate if you are using Airtel. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. And if you want to learn how to get it at a very cheaper rate from other networks, you can check the description of this video or watch the video that is showing on your screen. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.